Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in blockchain sentiment at plus 0.76, which is significantly above our historical baseline. This isn't just a minor shift. It suggests a growing enthusiasm, or positive outlook among users that we haven't observed in recent weeks. Coupled with a momentum increase of plus 0.23 and 19 semantic clusters, you've got a rich tapestry of sentiment to analyze. Our API returns a comprehensive dataset that includes sentiment scores, momentum values, and detailed semantic insights, all designed to help you gauge the pulse of the blockchain community. Imagine using this data to optimize your trading strategy or to inform your next development project. By tapping into these insights, you can stay ahead of trends and make more informed decisions. For more details, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dig into the data together.